Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Renu and you're watching Speak and Thrive. Well, this is day 4th of 7 days English speaking challenge from B1 to C1. So this video is also going to be the amazing one as my previous videos, and in this video we are going to learn something interesting. So please make sure to watch this video till the very end, and if you like the video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel if you are watching me first time. Now without wasting time, let's get started. So today in this video, I'm going to help you with sentence upgradation. Like, we are not going to say simple sentences, we are going to speak some advanced and some amazing sentences. So I'm going to help you to learn some amazing sentences I've learned recently, and that's what I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, so the first sentence is I am tired. An intermediate can be I'm really tired today. An advanced sentence can be I'm completely exhausted after a long day. So this is sentence upgradation. You are upgrading the sentence. She is angry. She is really angry right now. She suddenly lost her temper. I like my job. I like my job because it is stable. I enjoy my job because it provides stability and opportunities. Like this, you can also speak some advanced sentence structures just by upgrading the sentence. I do not understand this. I do not understand this clearly. I'm having some trouble to understand this concept. So, you can do this. Just upgrade the sentence. He is late. He arrived late today. He was delayed due to unexpected circumstances. Let's talk about another sentence. So, I'm nervous. I feel a little bit nervous. I'm anxious about the outcome. Next one. I'm happy. I'm happy today. I'm really in a good mood today. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English skills. I'm actively working on improving my English fluency. So like this, you can upgrade the sentence. So this was all about sentence upgradation concept. That is really useful, which will definitely help you to sound more fluent. And that's what I'm learning nowadays, to sound more fluent and natural. And if you like this video, guys, if you got something to learn from this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for another video in this 7 days challenge.